Tell us about the last over.
Last over, the plan was to keep it simple and use the bigger side and use the wicket and bowl slow balls, and it paid off. Yes.
Tell us also about the conversation with the leadership team for the last 2 overs, which Chris Jordan and you were supposed to bowl. What was the plan? It was still looking like SRH will win the game. What was your plan, and how did you achieve what you guys did today?
Yeah, we were clear from the ball one. We were clear with our plans, and the plan was like CJ was bowling from the end where the leg side boundary was small. So he was going for his Yorkers, and I was bowling with the leg side bigger. So I was digging it in and bowling the slow balls. And CJ bowled really well. I'd appreciate his execution, and yes, it gave me a lot of runs to play with. So it paid off. The plan paid off.
Harsh, talk us through your discussions with Ravi Bishnoi before the game. What did the bowling unit generally plan for the SRH batters? And a word on Ravi Bishnoi's bowling today.
Ravi has been really exceptional for us in every game. He's been bowling really well, and the main thing is he's bowling his quota of overs really economical, and whenever he gets a chance, he gives us a major breakthrough, and he gets the main wickets in the crucial times of the games. So he's doing really good.
Arshdeep, by the 9th over, Shami Bhai had finished his quota of overs.
Yeah.
What was the reason behind this? Did you hear anything about what the captain was saying?
No, the plan was to get the wickets at that time. So we just wanted an extra wicket there, and he got the wicket of Abdul Samad, and the plan worked off. Yeah, it was really good that in the last day, Rahul Bhai trusted us with the death overs, me and CJ, and it was really good to get the win.
Arshdeep, as a part of the bowling unit who has defended 126 in an IPL game, how does this boost the morale of the team, and what do you guys now do for your next couple of games? Now, do you think playoffs are in sight for you?
We are not looking that far. We are just taking it game by game and bowling the way we won the super over. After that, the belief has been really great in the squad, and we believe that we can do anything and everything for the team, whatever is needed. And yes, the belief was always there, and we just stick to our plans, and it worked out.